If you're tired of shelling out for gas guzzlers and endless repair bills, Tesla's latest move is about to flip the script on car ownership.
I mean, Elon's just a visionary, somebody who continues to just push the boundaries, looking for a future that we really want to aspire to be in.
That's what Tesla's chief designer Franz von Holzhausen said. As we hit December 2025, Elon Musk's crew has finally cranked up the production line for the Model 2 at Giga, Texas, promising an EV that slashes costs so low it could make traditional car expenses a thing of the past. But how exactly did Tesla pull this off? What changed inside the new Model 2 line that allowed them to slash manufacturing time from hours to minutes? And more importantly, what does this mean for your next car payment, your maintenance costs, and the vehicles your family will rely on in the next decade? We're breaking all of that down in today's deep dive. If you're ready to stay ahead on the EV revolution, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell now. Let's push autogearshift to 19,753 subs today, so you never miss an exclusive deep dive that could save you thousands on your next ride. Your click gets us there, and you'll get the edge no one else has. How is the Tesla Model 2's $14,999 starting price set to crush rivals, like the $26,595 Chevy Bolt EUV? Tesla's Model 2 is hitting the scene as the ultimate budget EV, clocking in at a base price of just $14,999 before incentives, according to fresh leaks from Fremont factory insiders. That's not some pie-in-the-sky figure. Elon Musk confirmed during the Q4 2025 earnings call that this compact crossover undercuts the market by leveraging next-gen battery tech and streamlined design. Compare that to the Chevy Bolt EUV, which starts at $26,595 for its 2025 model year, and you're looking at an immediate $11,596 pocketed right off the lot. Or take the Nissan Leaf at $28,140. The Model 2 shaves off over $13,000 while packing similar urban utility. But the real kicker? Apply the federal $7,500 EV tax credit and effective cost drops to $7,499 for qualifying buyers, making it cheaper than many used gas cars on Craigslist. Tesla achieves this by ditching unnecessary frills. The Model 2 measures about 170 inches long, shorter than the Model 3's 184 inches, with a wheelbase of 110 inches for nimble city handling. It seats 5 comfortably, offers 20 cubic feet of cargo space behind the rear seats, expanding to 45 with them folded, and weighs in at around 3,200 pounds, lighter than the Bolt's 3,680 pounds, which boosts efficiency. Power comes from a single-motor rear-wheel drive setup, delivering 200 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque, sprinting 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 7 seconds. Dual-motor all-wheel drive variants bump that to 300 horsepower for $18,999, still undercutting the Bolt's single trim. Battery-wise, it's fitted with a 53 kilowatt-hour LFP pack from CATL, good for 250 miles of EPA range on the base model, 250 miles of EPA range on the base model, or up to 300 miles on higher trims, matching the Bolt's 259 miles, but with faster 150 kilowatt DC charging that hits 80% in 25 minutes versus the Bolt's 38 minutes. This pricing strategy isn't guesswork. Tesla's supplier bids last year targeted 10,000 weekly units, scaling to 520,000 annually by 2026. Against BYD's Seagull, priced at $9,700 in China but unavailable stateside, the Model 2 positions Tesla as the U.S. affordability king. Early testers report a minimalist interior with a 15-inch central touchscreen handling all controls, no physical stocks, and over-the-air updates that keep software fresh without dealer visits. For tech-savvy drivers, this means seamless integration with Tesla's app for remote preconditioning and navigation, Features that add $2,000 plus as options on competitors like the Hyundai Kona Electric at $32,675. Shifting gears to the heart of this breakthrough, Tesla's production wizardry is what makes these numbers possible, turning assembly into a high-speed symphony that's light years ahead of old-school Detroit lines. How is Tesla's Unboxed production line at Giga, Texas, slashing assembly time? Forget conveyor belts dragging cars through endless stations. Tesla's Unboxed manufacturing process at Giga, Texas is revolutionizing how EVs roll off the line, clocking in a Model 2 from start to finish in under 45 minutes. That's half the time of traditional methods, like Ford's F-150 line that takes 90 minutes per truck. The secret? Parallel subassemblies where front, rear, sides, and underbody are built simultaneously in dedicated zones, then snap together like Lego bricks in a final merge. Each station handles tasks in just 19 seconds, per Musk's declarations in recent factory tours, compared to the industry average of 60 to 90 seconds seen at GM's plants. This efficiency stems from robotic arms, over 1,000 per line, handling 95% of welding and painting, reducing human intervention to quality checks. Giga, Texas, spanning 10 million square feet, dedicates 2 million to Model 2 lines, with initial output at 200 vehicles per day ramping to 2,000 by mid-2026. Cost savings are massive. The Unboxed method cuts floor space by 50%, needing only 1,000 square feet per vehicle versus 2,000 for linear lines, and trims labor costs by 40% through automation. Tesla's 4680 battery cells, produced on-site at 20 gigawatt-hours annual capacity, integrate directly into structural packs, eliminating 370 parts compared to the Model 3's setup. This drops battery cost to $50 per kilowatt-hour, half of 2020 levels, enabling that sub-$15,000 price. Toyota's lines average 50 vehicles per hour. Tesla aims for 100, potentially producing 500,000 Model 2s yearly by 2027, dwarfing Volkswagen's ID.2 projected 200,000 units at $27,000 each. How many tons of aluminum does one Giga press save Tesla on every single Model 2 body? While the Unboxed process steals most headlines, the real unsung hero quietly crushing the competition is the latest generation 9,000-ton Giga press that Tesla just fired up on the Model 2 line at Giga, Texas. For reference, the original 6,000-ton presses used on the Model Y cast the rear underbody in one single piece. The new 9,000-ton monsters go bigger. They swallow 180 pounds of molten aluminum in one shot and spit out the entire rear floor plus side rails in a single 90-second cycle, replacing what used to be 72 separate stamped parts and 1,600 welds on a traditional compact car. That single casting weighs 138 pounds when it comes out, cuts 44 pounds of structural weight versus the old multi-piece design, and shaves roughly $18 off the per-vehicle cost in materials and labor alone. Do the math across a planned 520,000-unit annual run, and you're looking at Tesla saving north of $9 million a year, just on the rear casting, not counting the front casting that's now handled by a second 9,000-ton press doing another 60-plus parts in one hit. Cycle time is insane: 19 seconds to inject, 45 seconds to cool and extract. Then the die opens and the robot grabs the next red-hot piece. That's less than 2 minutes from liquid metal to finished structural component, compared to the 12 to 15 minutes it takes legacy automakers to stamp, weld, and rivet the equivalent assembly. Tesla runs 4 of these 9,000-ton beasts on the Model 2 line alone, 2 front, 2 rear, giving the factory a theoretical capacity of roughly 120 complete structural sets per hour before you even count the side and roof assemblies. The ripple effect is brutal for competitors. A comparable Honda Civic body in white uses over 400 separate pieces and 3,000 welds. The Model 2 does it with fewer than 30 major castings and under 400 welds total. That's why Tesla's structural rigidity numbers are coming in at 38,000 Newton meters per degree, better than a Porsche 911 GT3, while still dropping curb weight to that featherweight 3,200-pound target. How could owning a Tesla Model 2 with 300-mile range and zero gas needs save you? Imagine ditching $200 monthly gas bills forever. The Model 2's all-electric setup, with home charging at 12 cents per kilowatt-hour, costs just 40 cents per mile versus 15 cents for a gas car like the Honda Civic. Over 12,000 annual miles, that's $480 in electricity against $1,800 in fuel, pocketing $1,320 straight away. Add low maintenance, no oil changes, fewer brake replacements thanks to regenerative braking, and Tesla estimates $3,000 saved over 5 years compared to the Civic's $4,500 upkeep. The 300-mile range on premium trims means fewer stops. Base models hit 250 miles, still beating the Civic's 400-mile tank, but without emissions or $50 fill-ups. Real-world tests show 4.5 miles per kilowatt-hour efficiency, so a full charge runs $6.36 at home rates, covering what a 30 miles per gallon Civic needs $45 in gas for. Factor in no transmission fluid or belts, and lifetime costs drop to 25 cents per mile, undercutting the industry's 60 cents average. Autonomy amps it up. Standard full self-driving hardware enables supervised autopilot, potentially reducing insurance by 20% or $300 yearly via Tesla's data-driven policies. Project 500,000 miles without major repairs, thanks to over-the-air fixes that resolved 80% of issues remotely in 2025 fleets. Against the Ford Mustang Mach-E at $42,995 with $0.06 per mile costs, Model 2 saves $720 annually on energy alone. So what do you guys think? Will the Model 2's range and autonomy convince you to switch from gas? How much would you save ditching fuel bills? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this breakdown fired you up, hit that like button, subscribe to AutoGearshift, and turn on notifications so you catch every update hot off the press. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.